Hello magical ones, I am back. We have another unboxing. Let me fix this. There we go. Okay, so I am back with another unboxing. I didn't expect this. I totally forgot I even had this one coming. This is WITCHBOX. This is a UK box. And this is the first time, or the first box I've ever gotten from them. So, we shall see. It came in a black mailer and there was no return address or anything on it, so I was like, oh my goodness, what is this? And I did take the mailer off, and it said WITCHBOX and then witchbox.co.uk. so this is the one that I ordered from the UK. So here is the box, and it's pretty chunky, and let's open. Oh, okay, and this is the October box. So this is what we have when we open it up. Let me get this all out of the way here over here. Okay, so your October box. Welcome to your October WITCHBOX. This month we have themed the box around Samhain and working with the ancestors. Please know our boxes are suitable for vegetarians and we use recyclable or eco-friendly packaging wherever possible. So that's nice. I dare say that is probably stuff that's inside the box. So we'll check this little slip out after. So we have some black paper. And like I said, this is my first time on this box, so pretty eager to see. Oh, Witch's Bells Spell Kit. Okay, so it comes in this black bag. And it looks to be a Witch's Bells Spell Kit. Oh, okay. I love Witch's Bells. Witch's Bells Spell Kit. Witch's bells have been used for centuries to guard against intruders that may bring harm or negativity to the home. Contents: you get your decorative twine, mini bells, hanging ring, and long burn hole, or white tea light. Sorry, my eyes are bad. So inside, obviously, the stuff to make witch's bells. Just getting ready to make witch's bells with my coven. So there's the little bells. Super cute. I love boxes that come with things that you can make. I make a lot of witch's bells too. So that is, oh, okay. And back here they even give you the instructions. And I'll eventually get around to doing all this stuff on my channel and my Facebook page as well as my coven. It's just so hard to find the time. Okay, so then we have, I don't know. It looks like a straw of some sort, but it is paper. So we will see. We have a scroll here. I'm going to skip by that one for now. This product is not a toy, used with adult supervision. Spider food picks. Oh, okay. Oh, they're little picks to, instead of using a toothpick, they're little spider picks. And it looks like you get, oh yeah, you get 12 of them. So those are cute. Not 100% sure what I'll do with those yet. Still gonna skip by that for the moment. We have here Orange Zest soap tablet. So we have some soap. And if you want to read the properties on there, you can go ahead. The writing's way too small for me to have it held back and read. I'll read it after. But I can't use soaps and stuff like that. I have my own that I have to use. I have skin issues. We have dried pumpkin seeds. Dried pumpkin seeds. And a lot of them. And again, you can read that if you'd like. We have a little sachet here with oh, this is cute. You have a pentacle, oops, it's blending in with my ring, and a pumpkin. Pentacle and a pumpkin. I believe the chain is 925 sterling silver as well. So that's nice. I know the little pentacle charm on there probably isn't because I have tons of them. Then we have Midnight Rose, an exclusive item packed by WITCHBOX. Okay, I was gonna say, I'm assuming these are incense sticks. Oh, very rose smelling. I'm not a huge fan of rose. They are red. So these might go in a giveaway because that's overwhelming. Then we have another sachet. This one's orange. We got a crystal in here. Not quite sure. I'm studying crystals now, so I want to say carnelian or red jasper or something, but the paper hopefully will tell us. And finally, let's see what's in this big guy here. We have some paper and then some bubbles. Let me grab my little opener. Well, it's definitely wrapped nice and safe, whatever it is. Okay, so it is a jar. Maybe this is what the straw goes to. I don't know. Yeah, nah. Not in love with it. I tell it how honest opinions of the boxes. I spend enough money on them, so I'm entitled. All right, let's see what we got here. Connecting with the ancestors. So you get a ritual here, a ritual to communicate with the ancestors. I'm going to try to hold this up the best I can so y'all can read, pause and read through if you would like. And on the back it has WitchBox. And I think that is it. They have their business card there. And prosperity oil recipe. I don't make oils or anything, so somebody else wants to grab and jot that down, go for it. Yeah, nothing I would be into. So yeah, it was my first box from them, and I won't be getting another one. It's kind of really mixy matchy, I think. I mean, not sure what to do with the pumpkin seeds. You can, it says here to roast them and add salt. I could have done that out of my pumpkins that I have here at home that we carved. So yeah, nah, I have no clue what this is. So yeah, this box here, those I'd never be able to use. This is cute, but not, I think like $60 cute was this box. So somewhere around there, 50, 60, I don't know. So we have the skull mason jar. A glass mason jar is designed in the shape of a skull to honor our ancestors or to hold your chosen drink at Samhain ceremonies. It comes with magical symbols, paper straw. Yes, so that was a paper straw. Exclusive pumpkin seeds, which are of edible quality. Use on your altar, cover in salt, and bake for a seasonal snack, or use alongside our exclusive recipe card to make your own prosperity oil. We have the exclusive Witch Bell spell kit. Our exclusive spell kit contains all you need to work the spell. This month, This month, make your own witch bells to provide protection to your home or space. Exclusive prosperity oil recipe card. We've seen that. Exclusive orange Zest soap tablet. I can't use that. And here's the crystal. So yeah, definitely nothing I've ever heard of. Sardonyx crystal. I don't know. Whatever crystal presented in a gift bag, which comes with our exclusive information card. Maybe that was, yes, okay. So that's the crystal for the crystal. So it's onyx and orange carnelian. If you would like to read that, you're more than welcome. I'll read it when I can zoom in on it. That's the crystal. Then we have exclusive midnight rose incense sticks. I do not like them at all. I'm not a rose smelly person. Fox spider food picks. Cute, but not sure how I would use them. Exclusive Book of Shadows pages. Or page. I'm not sure what that would be. I don't think we got that. This is already by itself. The exclusive prosperity oil recipe card. So I didn't get a Book of Shadows pages. Book of Shadows page. Blah, 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 blah. Designed by us, this page printed on parchment style paper is for you to keep in your Book of Shadows and explains how to work with the ancestors. Oh, okay, wait a minute, where'd that, oh, okay, yes, that was this, which is, I like that, probably, I like this probably the most out of everything in the box, but I'm sure I could have, I can figure that out on my own. So we have that, and then we have the exclusive silver pumpkin and pentagram necklace, handmade by us. The silver, okay, it's silver plated. Chain holds Tibetan silver pumpkin. I don't know how to pronounce that. And pentagram charms. I don't call them pentagrams. I call them pentacles. Presented in a gift bag. So, yeah, I'm not gonna, I won't be ordering again anyways. Out of this box, yeah, nice Book of Shadows. The necklace will go probably in a giveaway. I have my necklaces that I wear daily. I don't know, guys, just my honest opinion. I mean, the crystal, cool. Again, not 60 bucks, cool, or however much. Let me turn over here and see how much this was. Just checking over here on my computer to see how much this box was. Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, they were, it was 35 bucks. So yeah, I'm glad it wasn't like a 60 bucks. I know a lot of people would probably say this is like awesome. I don't love it. So anyway, this is the WitchBox. Probably the two things I like the most out of the whole thing is this, but I make witches balls so much, and this is a really teeny tiny, like the ring for it was like this big, so I don't even know if I would ever make it. So that brings me to like these two things. But anyhow, you learn, you live, you learn. So yeah, this box I won't be getting again, but you know, to anybody who likes it, awesome. Thank you for watching. Take care and blessed be.